Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to working on React for an app. So first, I'm in the router chat application and navigate to app and cd app and run the React by npm start. So by default, the React app will be listened on port 3000. And if it found any other application user this port, it will be asking us to change the port, and it maybe could be changed to port 3001, but by default it's using port 3000. Okay, so we got the app running. So in the last video, we did create 10 channels for tagging, and each channel we have 2 methods and 3 members. So let's open the project in my Sublime. So navigate to app folder, and we have a component. It's a messenger. We created a test method 100 methods and 10 channel. So you can see each channel we have ID, title, and methods. Latest methods and the member. This is exactly member key, and also member ID. In the next time we use it to save our database. And we also have an ordered map of methods, and we add 2 methods right below. Okay, so cool. So in this video, I'm going to generate an orb ID. So for example, I will need to user object ID, and let's copy that, and here I can use from messenger component import object ID from helper and object ID .js, but we don't need to add extension or .js in React. So here we can do by when we create a new method, and we can use the object ID. So the first thing we need to do is, so when I type in something here and hit send, nothing happened. And so I want to set default, for example, state a new method. So by default, for example, I want to limit it to hello there and 3 dots. And here in the input take area, so I can do by set value equal z.state.new method. And here now you can see the new message show up hello there on the input component. And I want to show you the one thing, and now I typing on my keyboard, and now you can see on the text area text it don't change. So and keep hello there with 3 dots from state. So we have to do listen on even on change on change. So we can do right, and here we can do call this set state. We call this set state to new method equal. Alright, I'm going to use a loadout function. So get, alright, and here we have an even, and get even, and here we target dot value. Okay, so now I made to log to the console, and so we can make a test console log. Alright, touch is changing, and new method is even dot target dot value. Now you should see in our console when I type in something, Okay, so here I can remove the message right now and type in something. My name is Tom, and you should see the message is changing. Alright, so I will remove debug key so we can see it easily. Alright, it should be installed and we debug something. Alright, debug somewhere here. Remove that. And once again, make a test. First thing you need to clear Object Console and hello there, 1, 2, 3. Alright, you should see text is changed and we can able to write message right here. Very good. So and the next thing we need to click on send button. So right, first thing you need to remove log also, and here is a button send with on click. Right, equal something. On click we can call this dot handle send and handle send. So handle send or handle send, cool. Handle send we can create new methods. Handle send equal this handle send just by this and handle send. Now we have a new method from state. So I will make the console log here so we can make a tag for right hit took on send button and which new method equal new method from test. So what again? Cool. So I'm going to clear console and hit send button. Now you should see we took on the send button and with the method is a hello there. And good, let's see, good morning. And now you should see the message good morning. Cool. So and here we can try to read new message. So course new, alright, so course message equal something. Alright, so the method should be have ID and we generate a new ID by course ID equal, so the method ID equal new object ID. Above we just import from the top, and now we can do right generate a new data and get a to string, and so we can do method ID right here, method ID, and the next thing you need body equal new methods from state, and next is author, right, something, for example me, and me equal true, and right avatar, and should be we use it, oh no, sorry, no avatar. And let's take a look at we generate a new method avatar. Avatar, it should be user avatar, but for in this case my tag I want to include the avatar as well. If I test avatar and author, and we have a channel ID. Channel ID is coded exactly. So how we know channel ID? Let's see, channel ID. And channel ID either this should be exactly the activate channel. So we can get code channel equal store. So we have it store.get activate channel. So how we have store, we do code store equals this.prop and store.get activate channel, and we just created the methods before. In that video we can get activate channel. So channel ID now code channel ID equals just get, I'm going to use the load that function, so make sure you have it imported, right, channel underscore ID, right, exactly what is channel ID. So by default is null. noon. So here we have got channel ID. So the first thing I'm going to log console, and we have an author of the methods. Let's take a look at in our store. So we have a set current user as a name ID, and ID should be 1 and should be matched to the list of user here. So I'm going to create a new method by get current user. So it should be return this dot user, and here we can do by card current user equals store dot get current user. Get current user. Right, cool. And here we can do by user loadout function get current user name. Alright, by default noon. Alright, so the first thing we need to console log new methods object a and methods. Here we do. Now the app should be refreshed, and now first thing clear the console, and now I'm going to hit send button. We have a method hello there and hit send button. So your new method should be an object with a new ID, an author, this is my name, an avatar image. And the next time avatar we can use it from user author image profile. But for this we just use it for tagging. We have a body, it's exactly method from user input. And channel ID, right? And me too, because sending from myself. And here is channel ID in activate channel. So what's up if I hit the channel 1 and send hello there 1? So we should have a channel ID become to 1. Cool. Okay, so good. And so we have channel, and here we do created by core store dot add method. Add method is exactly function we just create before. As method we have an index. Index we can rename it to ID and update. And the first thing with the method ID. Right, method ID. Here we generate a new method ID, and we can save our database in backend later. And methods. Cool. And so we have as a method to array, but the method will not show up because in each channel we generate, we have a list of member and method. So we have to appending new method ID key and true value to the channel. So how we do that? The first thing so let's see how it works. Now we can hello there and hit send. Nothing happened because the method ID had not import to the channel. So get back to add methods in our store.js. So we do first thing we need to do. Let's add new method ID to channel to current channel and methods, right? So how we do that? By current channel ID equal get. So I'm going to use a loadout function get. So we have to import it underscore from loadout. Alright, so now we can use a loadout function by get method. We have a channel ID, and when we create new methods on the send button, we have a channel ID right here. Channel ID. So an if channel ID and if channel ID just mean we can do by call channel equal this channel. We call a literal channel. We have a map or this map of channel, so we get exactly channel by ID. So we can do git channel dot get from channel ID. So and here we can do by alright. So channel dot matrix. So in each channel we have a list or a matrix and member. So channel dot member equal channel dot dot matrix dot set. So here we have a new matrix ID, exactly ID and 2, and finally we do this dot channel equal this dot channel dot set channel ID and become to this channel, exactly channel. Cool. So and finally we have a call update to component. So now try again. Hello there, hello there. Right, now you should see the matrix sent by me. You say and hello there, and one more thing. Good morning there. Alright, there. Cool. And send button. Current is scroll down is not automatically scroll to the bottom. Hello there, audio. Alright. So we can make our so when I hit send button, I think we should be clear up the matrix right here. So get back to messenger component. Alright, messenger component. Alright, so when we hit some, right, so handle send button. So when the matrix source state, and here we can call this set state. Alright, new matrix, empty, and one again when I automatically refresh. Hi and send. Now this matrix will be cleared, and again hi there and send. Cool. And so one thing I want to, when user typing and hit enter and automatically send button. So how we do that? Hit enter, we can listen on key up equal something and should be an even. And the first thing we can do by console.log even.key and console.log. Okay, so first thing like that, and here, right? Oh, it's okay. It's a karma down here and refresh. Okay, so the first thing I can clear the console and what happened? I hit enter. Now you should see the key is enter. So we can do that by when we have a key enter. So we do this. We call this dot handle send. I think this call handle send, and here so we need to make check if even dot key equal enter, and so we call this handle send, and that means we send a matrix. Alright, so the first thing, hello there, and now I'm hit enter on my keyboard. Enter. Now you should see a hello there, and again now I hit enter again. But problem is when I want to create enter to new route, so I hit shift and enter on it. I hit some keyboard shift and enter on my keyboard. Problem is the message you send, but I don't want that. I want when we user hit shift. So we can do it by first thing we need to console.log even.key ship key. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to hit enter. Now you should see hit ship key equal 4, and now I'm going to hit ship key. Alright, just type in something and clear console and hit ship key and enter. Now you should see key enter and ship equal true. So how we can fix by if even and even dot ship key not even ship key. So when we hit only single enter keyboards, just handle send, but otherwise we don't send the method. So once again test it. Hello there, and hit shift enter, and now it's in enter new row. Hello, my message, but we got the message equal on in single line. So we can fix that by react.order and follow document and select in the document and select even I'm sorry, it should be render element. So we had dangerous HTML component, render component, handle events list. So sets dangerous HTML. Right, it's done. So handle event. Right, so I think I can do by search for ReactJs HTML dangerous, and should be right DOM element. In DOM element, so here we can do the show get package document DOM element. Alright, so we can set dangerous HTML. Alright, so we need to see and where is the loop or the method, and here body we can do by p. So set dangerous should be an object HTML equal. So alright, it should be an object. Alright, we can do by call this.render matrix and matrix. So we can call. Alright, so let's copy that by do this. This.render matrix and matrix. So okay, so call render matrix. So we have to create a new function this.render matrix equal this.render matrix.by this, and show render matrix. Alright, parameter matrix. Alright, so we return p, and now it should be object html and matrix.body. So I will need to user load that function to make sure this matrix is not undefined, so we don't want to get any crash or error in the application. So here we can see, alright, p error. So what happened? P so set danger. Oh, deep, much deep. Okay, so after follow this document, I see I make a mistake equal as this to be an wk underscore HTML, but I just include just one, so I think that's the problem. And here written name to wk underscore, and here should work. And so I can rename back to p tag, and we should see. Alright, cool. So, and here we want to add to new method to channel 1. So hello channel 1 and new row. Alright, so it's something it alright, so it's same on one day. So I think I will implement the HTML display and writing methods in the next time. So right, so one more time I want to give some iterate methods class. So first thing we need to store the suck and listen up cd add rc cd seed add, and we have app.cd file. So I'm going to what is that file, start.was this file, and here we can go ahead to make change in our cd app.cd, and we have a channel. So where we have two channel and we have a lizard channel right here. So first thing I need to make sure we import class name and write channel and channel class name channel, and we need to implement iterate channel methods. By default class name should be channel, and make a conditional iterate when we can make compare to should load that function dot get activate channel and id, alright, equal get, alright, get channel, we compare to id and in this case new default new, and if channel activate channel id and equal to channel, so we can set new class name equal activate, and so we can see and open, and so we have channel id by default. Now you should see channel id 0 is activate, and channel, now I'm click on channel 1, you should see activate, and again channel 5 should be for a channel right to right. So we have a channel file activate, and here we can make a conditional in seed add channel, and right below we can do add new channel activate. If channel is activate, we can do by background equal r 0 something like that, and 1 2 3, okay. And so we can see now one again select this channel, right, and I want to make channel is become to cursor, to select cursor pointer, and now you should see the cursor become pointer, and here we can select, and look good. And one more time we change title when it's activate. So get back to messenger component, we have the title somewhere here, and should rename this by get activate channel, and should be title. The default device. And here we go. We should have a channel title 0. Right, by default, it's automatically select the first channel item to be activated, and until I select to channel 4, channel 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, cool. So right there, cool. And try one more time. So we have a match. It's clearly cool. Alright, so let's verify something. Okay, so I think I stop the video here and we can see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.